Hey guys, currently AI changes everything. So if you're interested in plugin or make online writing articles, so you've got to shift from the SEO style to GEO or generative engine optimization. That means you've got to make your own article being loved by Google AI or any other AI powered search engines or the AI chat models to mention and recommend yours in their snippets and their answers and show your articles higher on Google search results and even in the AI mod answers from any browser. And of course, I just talked about previously in a video what does it mean by GEO. In details, you can find this video down below in the first comment and description box. But here in this video, I'm gonna provide you the essential AI tools that help you to structure and create your own articles based on the new style GEO. So now let's get started. And the first tool for sure is a Chat GPT or any other chat model. It could be DeepSeek, Kimi, and so on. Here you can take a Chat GPT as a beautiful and smart assistant, not your absolute writer. Here in this new AI era, you've got to your own articles here based on your experience, examples as you want, and use a ChatGPT to restructure and refine your own piece of content to match your GEO style, generative engine optimization. And don't sweat it, just leave down below in the first comment and description box. I really done for you a prompt like this one to just transform any piece of content or a topic to beautiful GEO optimized article from A to Z as you see. Okay, even if you have some previous posts or blog posts or articles, you can turn them all in all to the new style just with a click of a button using for sure ChatGPT, DeepSeek, QN, and so forth. So here you can find all these templates down below waiting for you. So for example, here I just take an example of my article like this one. This article, okay, that talks about the 5 powerful and illegal ways to get massive traffic to your own website in 2026, okay? So simply I can get this whole prompt here, and for sure if you just use a topic or a sentence to convert or to write an whole article using the GEO style, here you can take the whole prompt like this, okay, to this line, okay. But if you have already blog post or an article, here you can add this one: preserve all existing ideas and explanations, don't remove valuable content, and so on. So just preserve your examples, your experience, your tone, your style, and so on, but just structure your own article in the new skeleton. So because I just have a ready article, so I can take this entire prompt, copy, and go to ChatGPT, okay, simply like this one. And here I can just go down below and insert my own piece of content here. That's this article, okay. So I can copy this one, copy, and go to ChatGPT again. That's it, go. And just here in a few seconds, here you can find your new version of your own article in the generative engine optimization vibe, like this one. Here you can find the first punchline. This is the answer, direct answer to this question here. As you see, these amazing relevant questions, perfect, these paragraphs. So any AI chat model can extract a beautiful and quick answer from your own reference or from your own blog post, like a boss. As you see, these amazing optimized paragraphs. And just in conclusion, you can find this final AI ready takeaway. Amazing. So here, this copy would be amazing and polished enough to just optimize your own article to the new AI era style, okay. So for sure you can use this prompt down below to just transform your own article in your blog or in medium.com or something to match this new GEO style. For sure this prompt works also in any AI chat model like ChatGPT or DeepSeek.com or Grok or Gemini or QN, Kimi, and the like, okay, perfect. So the first tool here you can rely on in our geo style, of course, is Chat GPT as an example, or chat models all in all. And the second tool for sure is by going to this amazing option that is Query Profit Vault. Of course, it's based on the Google People Also Ask Questions. Here, your article based on the real user intent who searches for great answers to solve their problems and to solve their queries and so on. So you've got to depend on the people also ask questions. And here regarding Query Profit Vault, it's an awesome tool or question set that contains over 50,000 real people also ask questions from Google in about 4,000 real and hot and trending topics in more than 90 highly demanded niches. So here it just save your time and effort looking for the trending topics and their questions from Google itself. And of course, for example, if you go to Query Profit Vault, and for sure it's a paid tool, not a free one. So for example, if you're interested in, just you can find its link down below in the first comment and description box to invest in this amazing era of plugin or writing your piece of content. Anyway, here to select your niche, you can find amazing niche as you see. So of course I can go something like insurance or leadership or something, or leadership, for example, life coaching. Okay, and here you can find the trending topics regarding this niche. So I can take randomly like this one, daily mindset shifts to transform your life, then open guide, and here you can find amazing and beautiful tree-like format. It contains tens of these questions people are asking, always on Google and all search engines as you see. Okay, with different compact view, vertical as you want, with zoom in, zoom out, dark mode, light mode, and so on. And for sure you can find the direct answer from Google by clicking over any single question like this one. Okay, perfect. So for sure you have got to make your own article based on different questions here from Google itself. That means just cover something that people can ask these questions regarding a specific topic, like this one: what defines a mind shift, how to check your mindset, what is the growth mindset in everyday life, and so on and so forth, as you see. So you can write on articles based on these questions as you see, just highlight them and copy and paste in a different text, or use them in your geo style blog post based on these questions as you see. So you can use these questions as headings in your blog post, or you can just transform every single question to an individual article as you want. Okay, that's it. So you can find this amazing tool down below in the first comment and description box. So the second tool, Query Profit Vault. And the third tool quickly for sure is by going to neuronwriter.com. It's an awesome website that helps you to rank your own blog post and your piece of content higher on search results. And of course, just mainly for the SEO style. But here for sure you can leverage this amazing website to the geo style as well, just by going to this one. So for sure, so for example, if I can take this article like this, okay, and it doesn't matter for your density of your keywords, for headings, and for the extended part of your article and so on. But here you can take the benefit of the neuronwriter.com by going to this one outline section. Make sure your own article covers all aspects and angles so any user can search for. So for example, you can find different smart headings and the headings from your competitors. Okay, as you see, the most frequent headings your competitors in the same topic use. Or you can go to smart headings here. Perfect. Or the questions here, based on some people also ask questions. And from this one, from your competitors' content as you see. So just you can take one of them like a copy to clipboard and insert in your own blog post to cover as much as possible, as you see. Awesome, isn't it? So you can take neuronwriter.com as a spy to help you to cover any piece of content that you don't know to make your own article. Absolute and comprehensive for Google AI and any AI mode answers. That's it. So you can find the link of neuronwriter.com down below in the first comment and description box. And now let's move on to the next tool quickly. For sure is Spinrewriter.com. For sure here, if you just make your own article based on the GEO style and you want to duplicate your article and publish the same version to different platforms like for LinkedIn article, Quora Space, and as an answer on reddit.com or something on medium.com and so on, you've got to make sure your own article in the same style of GEO style. Here, Spinrewriter comes to the screen. Here you can rewrite your own article to guarantee to go higher on Google search results. And for sure you can find amazing features. Just you can humanize your own article and just to pass any AI detector if you are writing your articles based on using ChatGPT or any other AI chat model. Here you can humanize your own article by just some spelling mistakes or something else as you want here. And here you can add different YouTube videos relevant to your own content as you want. For sure, I just talked about this awesome tool. You can find this video down below in the first comment and description box. Thus, if you want ready to generate high quality copies from your own original one, just already optimized for GEO. And the last tool just you can depend on to finalize your own journey and you're shifting from SEO to GEO just by using this done for you and free checklist. Here you can make sure that your content is optimized for GEO or not. Here it does, you can actually answer these questions. Does your article define the topic clearly? Okay. Does it answer real questions directly? Okay. Does it use a simple and readable language? Does it avoid fluff and vague storytelling? Can a paragraph stand alone as an answer? And so on and so forth. To make sure your own piece of content and your blog post optimized to GEO. So if you answer all these questions with checking or yes, so your article is ready to be published and you would gather amazing results quicker than you can think. Okay, and of course you can find this checklist down below in the first comment and description box. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.